significantly. It was up over 3% this morning. I think it has come off of that high. So that's very bearish too. And as far as scheduled news this morning, let me take a peek here. So we did have the U.S. unemployment claims. It came in at 200,000. The forecast was 210K. So yeah, a little disappointing. And then also Philly Fed Manufacturing Index came in at 47.4. The forecast was 24.1. I did see news regarding the bonds, the long end, the 30-year. So yesterday, because of the U.S. Treasury Department coming in and making statements about their intervention regarding the 30-year, I did see the bond interest rate go lower significantly after that announcement, and we saw the indexes go higher. However, we have recovered almost that entire move this morning. So I think that's very interesting too.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Could be some market movers there. Yeah. I'm also like checking the 1 hour here on NQ. It seems like we have these relative equal lows. It's kind of screaming that it might want to go lower below that 241, but it's hard to say anything right now.
Where are those at, Tom?
Well, 241. So we have a low on the micro from the 6th of August, and that was a morning opening range. That's a 9 a.m. candle low on the hourly. And so this drop actually, well, let me just see that. Hold on a second. So that low, hold on. That low was 241, and this low was 240.25. So actually just 3 ticks into that level, which is like kind of cool. So let me show you guys. So here's one, and here's the other one. So almost like picture perfectly relative equal lows there. And just before that, to the left, there's another 1 hour fair value gap there. We have some congestion area lower. So there are some levels to go for. Even, we have the 29K number down there. So it's like, we have some good levels on the downside. If this sell-off keeps to continue, then who knows? Maybe it will happen. But obviously, this is just speculation, and even if that would happen, would be great to see the market. So, in order to have a good sell-off, I just think that we need to reach a little bit more higher. Maybe take out a 5-minute gap here. Maybe sweep that swing high at 453, and then sell lower. I'm not sure, but just different type of scenarios here, guys. So who knows?
Yeah,
Yes, we have to be ready.
I think if we get below that current low, that it's not going to be good. We're just going to continue. There's a lot of space below there. So but I think